Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a series on problem solving in Hackerrank through Python. You can choose any language in Hackerrank website. There are a lot of problems which improve our skills for beginners and intermediate students. First of all, I am going to open Chrome and search for Hackerrank login. I have already recently searched it. Login Hackerrank. This is my previous account, so I am logging out. I am creating new account for making videos, practicing. I am going to sign up. Fill in your details. This email is already taken, so I am entering a new email. Enter your password and create account. It will immediately create an account. Choose your language. You can always change your language. I am choosing Python 3. You can also solve. This is your first challenge. Here there is a function define solve me first. There they give an hint return a plus b. This is very simple challenge. It lets you start coding. Just a simple challenge. Enter run. Congrats, you just solve your first challenge. Very simple, very basic. Just an introduction to the interface. Have to enter your details like student. I am passing out in 2022. Here notification is received. You have to confirm your email to get notified when you solve challenges. Problem solving is the main concept we are focusing on. So we'll practice this only. Continue. I'm not going to solve any problems today. I'm just going to show you how the interface looks like. There are lots of problems. I'm opening first one. There is the problem description and how to solve it. You won't get total details, but this is already pre-filled code. You have to enter logic only, but I will tell you from zero or scratch. I'm selecting Python 3. You can always change your language while you solve. This is it. I'm going back. This is profile, where you can see your verified skills, badges, work experience, education. You have to add them. You can also include your LinkedIn account. It will be useful because you can show it in your jobs.